All right, I'm going to show you how to post anonymously on Facebook. And the important thing to know is that anonymous posting is only available when you're posting inside groups. You can't post anonymously on your main Facebook feed or timeline. Here's how you do it. Go into a group, and when you're creating a post, tap your name up here. You might see an option to post anonymously, or a newer alternative to that, which is creating a nickname. It might suggest a random nickname like this. You can either customize it to whatever you want, or you could just go with the suggested option. I'm going to leave it as is. I'll go ahead and tap Done. And now, whatever I post will show up as coming from Daring Pelican 160 instead of my real name. Anonymous posting was kind of the first version of this feature, and it was really designed for one-off, isolated questions. This newer nickname feature actually goes a step further. It still lets you stay anonymous, while also making it possible to build a recognizable, consistent presence within that group, without exposing your real profile or full name. Worth knowing, group admins can actually choose whether to enable anonymous posting or nicknames at all. So some groups might have this turned off entirely, and you won't have that option. If that's the case, you'll need to use your real name or go post in another group. And that is how you post anonymously on Facebook. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.